and welcome to another Agile Ticketing Solutions training video. Today we're going to learn how to copy and import from a past event. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go into administration and open up the sales organization folder that the events are in. Next, you're going to select the event that you want to copy from. So we're going to select this event here, and we're going to right click and select Copy Import. Now with the Copy Import pop-up screen, what will happen is you can actually do a couple of different features. You can make this a copy type of an event. So if we're creating a new event from an existing event within the event field area, we can do that. Or we can create a template. Some of our organizations will use this to create a new seating chart template with the same pricing structure if need be. For this purpose, we're going to create an event using this existing event. Then we need to choose the copy details. So since I'm copying this event verbatim with all of the same information about the opera and the descriptions, the images, everything is the same. All I'm doing is adding dates. I'm going to go ahead and keep my copy details down to the price level. Now, some organizations will have the need to only copy down the physical area, which is your name, title, descriptions, images. Some folks will need to copy it down to where it keeps the general information as well as the tier inventory information. Some people can just copy everything down because it's all going to be the same, whether it's the price, etc. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we're copying this event in the exact sales organization that you're wanting this to be populated in. So for this purpose, we are going to keep it in the same folder because all of my operas are in here. But if I needed to create this as a template and put it in a different folder to reuse, we can actually select a different sales organization folder to copy this down to. All right, so I'm going to keep this at Art House Productions. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I can actually either calculate the end date from the duration, so we can actually create that from the runtimes that are in there already. We can also choose a template to copy this from if we are building multiple events, but using the same pricing template. For this purpose, I'm going to keep all of the empty fields from the source event, so that way it actually populates the same information that is already in the event itself. And then I'm going to click on Add Event. So if I'm wanting to actually create 4 more events, I would add 4 more fields for this show. And then I would change the dates and times here to populate the new time frames for these shows. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to say we're going to do this same show over again in September. And I'm going to add the time for that. And as you can see, it changes the end date, end time as well. So we can actually put the end time at 10 p.m. So that way it's a 3-hour show here. I'm going to do the same thing here. So if we needed to change the title of this event, we could go ahead and populate that information in here. I'm going to leave this alone because I want to copy down everything that is already populated in this event for Agile Opera. But any of these fields can be changed for your new event if need be. So once we've got all of our information ready to be copied, we're going to go ahead and hit apply and then OK. And as you can see here, we have our new dates in September that we can go ahead and then place on sale. So I'm going to right click on this, set our sales channels, and turn those on sale. And as you can see, the information for the Agile Opera is exactly the same from the one that I just copied from, which has all of the color information in here, the sales date times based on the parameters that we set, as well as the description, the delivery methods, etc. So this is the event that we copied from, and here are one of the events that we copied down to. So you can see here the colors are the same, the on sale dates that we just populated and turned on are here, but the delivery methods did copy down. Any of our descriptions copied down, and our images are all in there as well. So everything copied from the original event. Since we copied down to the pricing area and the tier inventory area, you can see we also have all of our inventory in place with the pricing. Now you can go in to an existing event and copy import and do an import spreadsheet using one of your existing events as a template. But most of our organizations will actually import based on a specific template when they're doing an import spreadsheet. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any other questions or need more information, you can join us on our community page, search for information on our knowledge base, or email our support team at support@agiletix.com.